Hi there, welcome to BIMALL. In today's video, we are going to develop a routine to find the elements which are not tagged. As you can see here, we have a mechanical ISD where the elements are tagged and some of the elements are not tagged. So our purpose is to find the element which are not tagged. Okay, so as we all know that in order to do a document a view properly or correctly, we have to find the elements which are not tagged and put the tag and put a proper tag over there, right? So let's start without any further ado. First of all, we need to select the element which belong to the mechanical or the elements which are present here, right? Here we have the elements like uh, air terminal duct, mechanical equipment, duct fittings, and flexible ducts as well are there, and some of the mechanical pipe as well are there. So I'm just showing you for the duct. You can do for the rest. Okay. First of all, I'm going to add a node called category where you will find that you have to go to elements, right? Revit element, and thereafter you need to find a library called selection. Here we have selection, and there you have a node called all element of category in view, right? Now what category do we have here? So to uh, give the element or select the element, we have to put a category. Here we have the category. Now I'm only considering the duct. You can do the all the rest, or I'm considering duct, and here we have a duct air terminal. Okay, select the air terminal, sorry, air terminal, and one more category that I'm going to select the duct. Okay, these two only. You can do as many as you can. Duct. Now where's that duct, man? Come. DUCT duct fittings. Okay, here we have duct, right? Now we are going to put both of this category as an input to this one, right? So to do so, we have to add a node called create list. Create list. Mm-hmm. Okay, right. Create, create list. Okay, where's that list? List type list. Here we have a node called list create. Okay, now one more item to add. Now let me add this two category there. When you click on the run button, you can see both the categories are listed down here, right? Now give it to this one as an input. Now we have to give a view. We are going to select the element belonging to these two category, only the elements which are present in this view, right? So we have to add another node called view. Okay, so is that, here we have that one, view. Which view is this? This one is level one. We have to search for the level one. Here we have two level, right? One is for the ceiling and one is for the floor plan. Let me change its name as the floor. Okay, no, not both the one I want to name. Now see, here we have as the floor. Give it as an input. Now click on the run button. You can see all the elements are showing here. How many ducts and diffuser are there? You can find it from here. Now it is showing that there are total element 32 elements are there. We have to give another node, introduce another node called flatten. Here we have a flatten node. Now click on the run button. Now there is no subdivision between these two, right? Here we have two lists, 0 and 1. Now here we have only a single list, right? Now moving ahead, now we need to find all the element which are tagged. So how to do that? Let me introduce another node called element. Element type. Okay, here we have one more nodes are there, all element of type. Okay, this one. Now as we all know that what is the element type of this tag, this is also an element. The type of this element is independent tag. Okay, now let me look it for that. Independent I, independent, where is that? Here we have. Okay, now connect with this one, search here. Here we have 25 elements. Now see, though we have duct and uh, ACD, total elements are 32, out of which 25 are tag, means there are 7 elements which are not tag. So now in order to segregate that, we have to filter from there, right? Now how to filter that? We have a node called filter by condition. Here you can find it out here. Okay, list filter. Now I want to filter this list. Now based on what condition? The condition is that a list contain this element. That will be the condition. So list content. Okay, here we have, here here's the node. Okay, and the good thing about this script is that you don't need any package, right, to run this script. Now connect with this one. Now these are the list we want to filter it out from there. Now connect with this one. See, here you have that. Okay, it is not showing though. Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. What I made a mistake here. What was that mistake? See, these are the tag element, right? These are also an element, but we need to segregate. And what about this? These are the hosted element, means the diffuser. So we need to find a associate hosted element of this tag, right? So do that. We have a node called element. We have a node called dot tag tag, right? Here we have that. Now connect with this. Now this node will give you the element. Okay, here these all are the tag element. This is representing the tag. Okay, this entire id, if you are going to search with this element id, it will select any of this tag. But these are the element associated to this tag. Okay, the hosted element, these are reflecting. Now I need to connect with this. Now run it again. Now you can see these are the element which are tag, the above one, and the out list which are not tag, right? So now we have our list that which are not tagged, but our job is not ending here. Now, right, we can't look for each and every element by its id, right? It will take too much time, right? So in order to save our time, we can use a script, python script. Okay, you can look it for, I can add it to our description, from where you can just copy and use it as a script. So now let me connect it. What is the purpose of this script? This will highlight the element in the model. Okay, now suppose outlist. What is the outlist? The element which are not tagged. I'm connecting with this. It will highlight over here. Okay, now click on the run button. Now you can see these are the element which are not tagged. See, number one, this entire duct is not tagged, not even this, the small one, and the air terminal as well. Here some are the air terminal ducts, and here we have terminal as well. So these are the elements which are not tagged, except these all are tagged, right? So in this way you can segregate the element which are not tagged, and can have a look for a QC purpose, like this, whether this one is whether a tag is necessary for this air terminal or not. It is up to you. You can decide. If it is useful for you, please like the video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.